I'm at the island in Cherokee. You can see the water's behind the trees over there. Usually people wade out in here. There's all kinds of rocks and stuff out through here, and people wade right here a lot and swim around and stuff, but you can usually see all the rocks and stuff. Get around here. These pipes over here have a bunch of water going through them right now. Usually you can walk, if you're a kid and you can bend down and stuff, you can walk in there. There's usually hardly any water going through that, if any. It looks a lot different from what it usually does.